Hello, Isaac. It's Thursday morning. I'll say about 11:15. Just doing the walkthrough here. Believe it or not, the idiot left the latch on the inside of the door, but we managed to get in through the garage. So this is a walkthrough. This is not a reinspection. What I'm looking for are material alterations that would affect the use, value, or enjoyment of the property. John and Selena are already in, so they're starting the walkthrough. They left a good bit of junk in the garage, and the only way we got in was to go through the side door, and they had this thing here blocking the door, so John was able to push it open. So we're going to go back on the cellar for $100 or $2 for removing all this junk. This is not your cost. Okay, more stuff here. It's going to be a gorgeous house. What is that? Oh, wheelbarrow. Doesn't matter. John can have that one.
Thank you.
It's true though. Well, it's not true if you're a wizard, dude.
guys never took care of anything. In my opinion, there has been no material alteration to this house. It is in the same or similar condition as when I last saw it, and so you are good to close.